Was to this result, bro. I know we drew 1-1, fam, but still defensive display put on by some of these man right here, fam. Declan Rice, £100 million player. How many times do I have to tell you, man, broskies? Listen up, listen now, fam. What you man doubting him? Watch out, bro. Go and that last ditch tackle. Don't think I didn't see that one. Arsenal have been struggling this whole season with attacks, bro.
Bro, somebody come save Kanan, bro, from Power. Come get this lost and found Kanan from Power, bro. What are you chatting about? Defensive masterclass. Calafiori was getting cooked. Rasmus could have scored. Mazraoui was cooking, could have scored. Xerxes could have scored. What are you chatting about? We was getting cooked. Defensive masterclass. The fact they had to do a last-ditch tackle means we made a mistake in defense in the first place. That's why you had to do a last-ditch tackle against Rasmus, bro. And if Rasmus didn't take 101 flipping shots before striking the ball, a proper striker would have buried that. He took way too long. Touching the ball 120 times, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Touching the ball more than Michael touched the kids in Neverland. What are you chatting about? And this guy's trying to overgas that. This fan base never learned, bro. Never learned, bro. Bro, somebody just dead off Kanan, bro, from Power, bro. Dead off this B-Tech Kanan, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm done with
I'm telling you, man, now, fam. Arteta was looking at that bench, bro. Saw Martinelli, fam. He would just come through, bro. The hammy was doing a mad thing, bro. But he just come back, fam. Martinelli was all your performance today, bro. I'm not going to say too much because it's your first game back in it. But, fam, that chance where you hit the keeper, bro. Surely could have squared it earlier. Surely. It's dark, man. Man's watching Eden Heaven, fam. Lift up the fans like this, bro. I can't even get my revenge, bro. Where's my flipping revenge, bro? Cheetah Obi Martin, fam. This girl telling me, hold that, bro. Where's my flipping revenge, bro? Season's over, man. I can't lie to you. Drop points again, fam. Liverpool, 15 points clear, 14 points clear, bro. It's so dark, man. I'm sick of this nonsense, bro. 15 points clear in March. 15 points clear in March.
What is this?
It's peak, bro. What are you telling me?
Disgrace, bro. We're letting United get a result against us. They're 15th.
There we go. Sideshow Bob getting involved as well. You know what I'm saying? Crazy. Crazy, bro. Look at the state of this fan base is done, bruv. This fan base is done, man. I'm telling you, absolutely, man.
Sick deep, which United were ultra deep today. In the first half, their three centre-backs didn't even go beyond the halfway line. You know, like when teams press up, and you see them press up to the halfway line and beyond, they was like a few 5 yards back from the halfway line. They were so deep and just sort of said, right, try and break us down. And we've seen it all season, innit? Every time it's a team like that, whether it be Nottingham Forest, West Ham, we struggle against those type of sides.
So what's the problem here? Isn't that what you man told us about relying on our defense and the dark hearts? So what? Figure it out. Figure it out. Why can't the manager figure it out? Who gives a crap if United are sitting in deep? Who cares? They weren't sitting deep in the second half. I'll tell you that for sure. They were cooking us in the second half. I don't know what he's talking about. United was sitting deep, bro. They were cooking us in the second half. These men always need an excuse, bro. When Arsenal sit deep and try to stink out games, well, dark hearts, dark hearts. When it's these lot, you know what I'm saying? When we're sitting in deep, which is what we've been doing for the last 2 seasons, dark hearts, dark hearts. This is what you got to do to stay in the game. Nobody can penetrate our defense. But when it's Man United, well, you know, what can we do? I mean, it's just sitting back. We've been doing that, bro. We're laying the blueprint for stinking out games like that. What are you chatting about? At least Man United could actually transition. Could we transition? At least they could actually transition. They were cooking us. Where was our midfielders? Bro, madness, you know. Always a comfortable excuse, bro.
Injuries to key players. And secondly, they didn't get anybody in January. And who are we bringing on to try and change the game? Kieran Tierney. The other night, I saw Liverpool get battered from pillar to post in that game. But what did they do? They could bring on options. Yeah. Darwin Núñez and Harvey Elliott, that wins them the game. What can we bring on in an attacking sense? And they knew in
Jorginho, that's got the winning mentality. Yeah, that's what we got. We got Martinelli, one of the best young wingers in the world. This is what you don't wanted. Why are you complaining? That's what you wanted. Versatility. Do you know what I'm saying? That's it. Play Tierney as a wing back. This is what you wanted. Why are you not complaining?
January, and we keep seeing if we don't sort of put teams away with our possession, then we struggle.
Then we struggle. Interesting. Do you know what I'm saying? Absolutely interesting. Let's run this clip here.
The Manchester United Stadium for the Arsenal Man United game. Kick-off is in probably an hour's time. I'm here to witness the humbling of Man United. I can't believe it that we're going to go here, get the 3 points, not just get the 3 points, but get 2 or 3 goals tonight. Bukayo Saka's not here, Maitland is not here, but guess who's here? Ethan Nwaneri, Mikel Merino, and Leonardo Trossard. They're here to humble Man United. This Man
Mikel Merino, Ethan, and Trossard are here to humble Man United. This guy, bro, man's gone all the way to Manchester. And man looks like he's wearing the lost and found PE kit. You know what I'm saying? With the plimsolls. What is this guy doing, bro? All for clout chasing. The same guy that told us we're going to do the treble. The same guy that said this is our year. The same guy that doesn't fear Liverpool. Bro, these men are clowns, bro. Yeah, I'm saying the bowl selector, Craig David. Get down, Kez. This is an absolute joke, bro. Absolute joke. But let's continue. Let's continue listening to this B-Tech Nipsey hustle, bro. Where's the mouse? Let's continue, bro.
United defense is going to get absolutely embarrassed. Put your predictions in the comments.
Man United are going to get absolutely embarrassed, yeah? That went well. That went well. That one went well. Let's go.
Arsenal fans, stop finding excuses for absolutely everything. It's been talked about to death already, this, but I just went the shit out of poo. Someone literally left one sheet of toilet roll on it. That made me pretty angry. And I had a Subway for my lunch. I had jalapenos on. So not only am I angry, my arsehole is as well. Anyway, about this, people mentioning that the wall...
What? Great story, bro.
was 11.2 yards back instead of 10 for Bruno's free kick. Whoop-de-fucking-do. It happens all the time. Do you think every referee who paces it out by their feet has the exact same stride and leg length as every other referee? Because I'll tell you right now, boys, they fucking don't. It's never been an exact science. They haven't got a tape measure out for it. It's roughly right every time. It might be a yard or so off. When in fact, the real reason this free kick went in is because your keeper is stood over the wrong side of the goal. I understand keepers don't want to be caught out and they don't want it to be put their way, whipped back across them, then it looks like it's their fault because that's all they're bothered about, them not getting the blame for shit. But Raya should be stood about where my hand is, and it gives him a much better chance to get over. And as Sky showed in the analysis, Casemiro and Xerxes block his view of it a bit. If he stood a little bit further over, sees a ball earlier, he saves it. It's on him, and it's on Bruno taking a good free kick. That's all it is. Because this exact same situation happened in the second half. Arsenal had a free kick. Anthony Taylor did the exact same thing with the wall, and the United players were moaning about it as well. But guess what? The keeper was positioned correctly, and the free kick was gash, so they didn't score from it. That's all it's down to. And Sky made a big issue of this, knowing that fucking Arsenal fans will lap it up because they want an excuse for absolutely everything. If they don't win a game, if they don't win a trophy, if they don't do this, they don't do that, they want to blame anyone else but their manager who they rim the arse off despite winning one major trophy in nearly 6 seasons, and their shit players. Marking the distance for a free kick has never been an exact science. Get over yourselves, get over the result that you were lucky to get, by the way. The exact same thing happened to United and Ødegaard didn't score it. Just fucking
facts. Where all this energy, you know what I'm saying? Why is everyone looking down? This is the same fan base that said this after the PSV game. This is the energy from this fan base.
And say this, give us Real Madrid. Give us Real Madrid. Did you not see how we just dismantled PSV? 7-1, 7-1. And my boy Ødegaard's back. My boy Ødegaard is back. My captain's back. My captain's back. It's over for everyone. Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, I don't care. We're going to smoke either of them. So back, people. We're so back. We're winning the Champions League. I'm not lying when I say this.
Yeah? Where's all that energy gone? You know what I'm saying? After beating PSV, you man were getting overexcited, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Look at this.
Anyone who said Arsenal have no chance of winning the Champions League this season, you need to think again. We just watched Arsenal beat PSV 7-1. Oh, but it's only PSV. Oh, but they're a poor team. PSV beat Liverpool this season. PSV knocked out Juventus in the round of 32. PSV are a very, very good team, and this was away. This wasn't at the Emirates. We scored 7 goals away from home. And it's absolutely ridiculous. The way people have just written Arsenal off completely. Like 2 seasons ago, we didn't get 84 points. Last season, get 89 points in the Premier League. Prove ourselves to be a serious, serious team. We've probably got still the best defence in Europe. Declan Rice, on his day, is a world-class midfielder. Cool, he hasn't been at the levels this season. But he's still a top player. People writing off Martin Ødegaard like he's some bum player. Look at today. Look at the levels he showed, especially in that second half. Thomas Partey's probably been our best midfielder this season. And Ethan Nwaneri, man, this kid is a star. This kid is one, I was going to say for the future, but he's one for now. What he is doing.
Tyrion Lannister. How this is aged. How this has aged, Tyrion Lannister. I don't even know, man. But they do say a Lannister always pays his debts. I guess you're paying your debts. You know what I'm saying? Because where was all this gas after the performance against Man United? Oh, Ethan is one for now. Well, he didn't turn up against Man United. Are we surprised? Odegaard. Oh, are people criticizing Odegaard? Look at the way he took his free kick. Look at his overall performance against Man United. What's this guy talking about, bro? What is this guy talking about, bro? Man like Lord Farquhar getting way too excited over beating PSV. Who gives a shit, bro? Who gives a crap? Where was that performance against Man United? Okay, then. Okay. This is the energy, bro, after PSV. I want to see why everyone's not on the same energy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
It would just be hilarious if Arsenal won the Champions League as a neutral, because so many people hate them. I don't hate them. I think the meltdown on social media would be so intense it would register on the Richter scale. I think some people would genuinely be heartbroken, like who don't support Spurs or Chelsea. There'd be some random Man United fan or some like Newcastle West Ham fan who would literally sob over it. And that's a hilarious thought to me. It doesn't matter who you support. This is so sick to see 2 academy players, 2 teenagers playing in the Champions League for one of the biggest clubs in Europe and setting each other up for a goal. That's unreal. First time 2 English teenagers have ever combined for a goal in UEFA Champions League history. That is sick. You can pretend you hate Arsenal all you want. Oh my God, it wasn't easy. I'm not an Arsenal fan, believe it or not. This is so cool. This is what I love about football. This is what everyone should love about football. All right, kids playing together.
Kids playing together. Do you know what? I'm impressed. La Masia. Look at the players that they've got from La Masia and look at the position that they're in. They could potentially win a Champions League. They could win the league. They're still in the cup. That is the kind of story I like. Come through La Masia, and a lot of them have made it into the starting lineup. And it looks like they're going to win at least one major honour this season. And we're sat here talking about Ethan and Skelly that are both good talents, but they're going to win anything. Who really cares? Are they going to win anything? No, they're not. So who really cares? But it's all about the story that, you know, Ethan and Skelly, they grew up together. Bro, that's all great. You don't win me titles. You don't get me over that. I couldn't give a crap, bro. The club comes first. I don't care. Yes, I would like the youngsters to achieve. That would be great. That's an extra. That's not my priority. And a club like Arsenal shouldn't be their priority. What are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? Asensio, young player coming through Real Madrid. Look at him. Do you know what I'm saying? Look at what he's doing. Yeah, I'm saying in contention to win a major honour at Real Madrid. Bro, why do we care? What's up? Bro, at the end of the day, man, I don't care. I've seen players come through. I've seen young players be at this club and not be good enough. I didn't give a crap when Carl Jenkinson didn't make it at Arsenal. Miachi didn't make it at Arsenal. Wellington Silva didn't make it at Arsenal. David Bentley didn't make it at Arsenal. Do you know what I'm saying? There's bare players, young players, that come and not made it, and I didn't give a crap. No one even mentions them. No one cares. You didn't make it. You weren't good enough. That's it. That's it. I don't care about these love stories and all that. I care about winning trophies, innit? That's what I care for my club, innit? All great that they're performing well. That's all great. But at the end of the day, yeah, that's not what football's about. Football ain't about your love story. Football's about winning trophies. That is what football's about. It's not about these little stories about, oh, this guy came. No one cares. If you're not of the level, you're dropped. Everyone hyping up ESR. Do they care about ESR now? Everyone that was hyping up Nketiah, they didn't do anything for us. Does anyone care about Nketiah now? No, they don't. If it's all about these stories, why did we sell Balogun then? Why did the club sell Balogun? Because it wasn't good enough. Honestly, Ethan and Skelly, there's talent there. But if they don't reach the level, they'll be sold. Nobody cares. No one's going to be saying, oh, we can't get rid of him. Not about the love story that they've come through the academy. No one cares. No one cares. That's the reality. Stop acting like you care. You don't care. If you don't get over the line, who cares? What's man talking about, bro?